Garmin fans, get ready. The Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be the most advanced smartwatch of 2025. Rocket 4 years, Garmin has led the way for athletes, explorers, and adventurers who demand durability, precision, and performance. Now, leaks and rumors suggest that the upcoming Fenix 8 Pro could change the game completely. From a stunning new AMOLED display and lightning-fast performance, to next-level health tracking, record-breaking battery life, and even LTE connectivity, this might just be Garmin's most powerful smartwatch ever. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, its features, design, release date, and why this could be the ultimate upgrade for outdoor athletes and tech lovers alike. So, let's jump right in. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is quickly becoming one of the most talked about smartwatches in the wearable industry for 2025, and with good reason. For years, Garmin has been the go-to brand for athletes, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand durability, precision, and advanced tracking features. The Fenix series, in particular, has always been a symbol of rugged luxury, blending hardcore performance metrics with a design that can look just as sharp in the boardroom as it does on a mountain trail. With the upcoming Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, leaks, rumors, and insider information are pointing toward a smartwatch that could truly redefine the high-end wearable segment. Many believe that this device will not only surpass the Fenix 7 Pro in almost every area but also introduce cutting-edge features that athletes, travelers, and health-conscious users have been eagerly waiting for. Whether you are an ultramarathon runner, a mountaineer, a triathlete, or simply someone who wants the most advanced wearable tech on your wrist, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro seems like it could be worth the wait. One of the most exciting areas of speculation about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is its display technology. While previous models already offered bright and highly readable transflective displays, the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to incorporate an upgraded AMOLED panel in at least one of its versions. This would make it a direct competitor to smartwatches like the Apple Watch Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Watch, giving users richer colors, higher resolution, and smoother performance for maps, training data, and notifications. However, Garmin is also expected to balance this with its signature battery efficiency, meaning even with a more advanced display, users can still expect days or even weeks of usage, depending on the mode. This has always been Garmin's strength compared to traditional smartwatches that require daily charging. The possibility of an adaptive display that switches between AMOLED and transflective depending on usage scenarios could be a game-changing feature if implemented. Performance-wise, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to be powered by a faster processor and expanded memory. The extra power would allow smoother operation, faster map rendering, and better multitasking for advanced features like real-time stamina tracking, HRV, heart rate variability, monitoring, recovery insights, and next-gen training readiness scores. Athletes who depend on split-second data accuracy would benefit immensely from such improvements, as would professionals who use the watch for navigation in extreme environments. The Fenix 8 Pro is also expected to refine GPS accuracy with multi-band GNSS improvements, making it more reliable than ever in dense forests, canyons, and urban areas where signals usually struggle. For explorers and outdoor workers, this leap could make the difference between frustration and flawless tracking. Another area where the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro